fried rice noodles are seriously so easy to make, and this dry tossed version was sauce done in no time with barely any effort.
Right, fried rice noodles are super simple, and you can totally customize the ingredients and flavors to your liking, so convenient. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Let's use this ready-made dry toss sauce for today's fried rice noodles. It's already seasoned and super convenient. Definitely not an ad, by the way. Ingredients: onion, cabbage, carrot, vegan anchovies, egg. Oh, and about those dried anchovies, you can totally eat them straight, but I love air frying them first to make them extra crispy and tasty. They turn out so good. Soak onion until softened. Drain onion and set aside. Peel and shred carrot. Add some shredded carrots to the fried rice noodles. It gives them a pop of color and a sweet crunch. Wash, clean, and shred cabbage. Adding cabbage to fried rice noodles is a game changer. Its crunch adds amazing texture, and its mild sweetness balances the rich sauce perfectly, so satisfying. Gotta have eggs in fried rice noodles, right? Just beat them up and set aside. Before stir-frying the noodles, scramble the eggs first and set them aside. Don't overcook the eggs, keep them soft and tender. Just control the heat a bit to leave them slightly moist. They'll taste so much silkier and yummier. Pour a tablespoon of all into the pan, then toss in the shredded carrots and cabbage to stir fry until fragrant. Seasoning with salt and pepper. Don't add too much water, just about half a small bowl is enough. It helps moisten the noodles and evenly distribute the sauce, but be careful not to overdo it. Once the noodles are in, add the dry toss sauce and stir quickly to coat everything evenly. Keep frying until they're dry, fragrant, and soaked in flavor. Done. Use chopsticks or a fork to gently toss the noodles. This helps prevent breaking and keeps them perfectly separated. Finally, add the scrambled eggs back in, give everything a quick toss, and dig in. Top the fried noodles with those crispy vegetarian anchovies. Adds a crunchy punch and makes it absolutely perfect. Fried rice noodles are perfect for breakfast. They're light and not greasy, so even if you have no appetite, you'll easily finish a plate. Rice noodles are made from rice paste, so soft and chewy. They're mostly carbs, but low in fat and easy to digest. Just add veggies and protein for a balanced meal. Hey, rice noodles are actually ancient. They've been around in China for over 2,000 years. Guess what? There are tons of types worldwide, from thread-thin Vietnamese vermicelli to wide flat how fun, all made from rice. Dried rice noodles last ages because dehydration stops bacteria from throwing a party. Rice noodles are flavor chameleons. They soak up sauces, broths, and spices like a boss. Mind-blown fact: some rice noodles are made from mung bean or sweet potato. Not all are actually rice. Vermicelli and rice noodles are like cousins, not the same. Vermicelli is made from mung bean starch, chewy and bouncy, while rice noodles come from rice, softer and tender. Both are iconic in Asian dishes. Rice noodles aren't super high in calories, but whether they make you gain weight depends on how you cook them and how much you eat. If you drown them in oil or heavy sauce, or devour giant portions daily, then it might stick to you. Balance them with veggies and protein, and you're good. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism, such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism, may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day weekly. Small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.